Make a great choice today with the 2015 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth, one owner, alloy wheels, backup camera, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.